Hi guys, I didn't have any particular requests for 2.5 or 2 or 3.1 this week, so we're just gonna do some random practice questions. I'm gonna do every eighth question after this first one. First one says the length of a this is 2.5 by the way. Length of a guest lecturer's talk represents the third quartile. Make an observation. Third quartile means 75 percentile. Yeah, it's longer than the 75% of individuals. Okay, number 8. Determine whether the statement is true or false. If false, we write it as a true statement. Second quartile is the mean of an ordered set. And that's almost true, except it's not mean, it's the median. Yeah. Quartile puts you right in the dead center, but not the mean. It's the median. It's the number that's in the middle, or if there's two numbers, the average of those two. So median, yeah. Okay, problem number 16. Find the 5-number summary, draw a box and whisker plot. Okay, so 5-number summary for that part, I recommend just using our Desmos. I'm sorry, not Desmos. I mean our Google Sheet. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. I have my Google Sheet open, and it's right here, the first tab, the summary stats tab. And I'm just gonna put these numbers in. 4886297. Oh, I missed 8. 79694 26298 779. Okay, and you see a 5-number summary actually just pop out right over here. Let me just make this a little bigger. Right here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those numbers are the 5-number summary. So the min is 2. Quartile 1 is 5. Quartile 2 is the median, that's 7. Quartile 3 is 8.5. And the max is 9. Now it says to draw a box and whiskers plot. And we're actually just choosing it. Make sure that the minimum is the 2. That should match this whisker out here. So this is the only, this one and this one are the only ones that match that. So it's either A or D. Second number should be 5, and both of those seem to agree there. Next number should be 7. It looks like that one's correct in letter A, but not in letter D. So there you go. Okay, 24. The algae represents the height of males in a particular country. Okay. Okay, we didn't talk about this either, so we didn't talk about this. You can kind of tell what is just by context. You're basically, you look for where's this is the percentile, right? Look for what is the 90 percentile matchup, but we didn't talk about algae, so let's skip that question. Go on before it. Use Bosco script plot to answer a question. I like this question. Look at that after another algae question. Okay, it's actually a good opportunity for me to show you a little shortcut. So this is the next question. I see a bunch of numbers and I'm feeling lazy. So what can I do? I can just open it, copy to clipboard. And copy. And then open up my Google Sheet again. Make sure these guys are all cleared out. And then paste. And boom, all my numbers are in. 5-number summary right there. Q1 is 13.85. It says do not round. Okay, so put the whole thing in. Quartile. Oops, I wrote the wrong one. 15.125. Quartile 2 is the median, that's 15.75. Quartile 3 is 17.65. And then draw the box plots. It's kind of similar to last question, yeah. The minimum is 13.85. So let's look for it. 13, 14. This looks correct. This looks correct. This one looks wrong. So it's A or B. Where do they differ? Let's look at the quartile 1 is 15.125. This one is wrong because 15 is over here. Quartile 1 should be higher. Yeah, okay. Okay, multiples of 8, that was 24, next would be 32. Histogram, okay, this is a good one to look at. Histogram, midpoints A, B, and C are marked in histogram. Match them to the indicated scores. Which scores, if any, would be considered neutral? All right. Oh, yeah, okay. So point A corresponds to Z-score of, so these are the Z-scores you're given, right? Here's A, B, C. It's super easy because all you gotta check is which one is most to the left, and the most to the left would be Z negative 1.42. That's A, right? You can also tell because the middle is right where B is, right? That's, look at the histogram, that's where the center is. That would be Z equal to 0. Excuse me. And then so negative would be left of that, positive would be right of that. B is 0, that's right at the dead center. And then C would be the one to the right. So 2.14. Which one is unusual? Anything above 2 or less than negative 2 is unusual. So yeah, that was a good question to look at. Okay, one more. Let's do one more. And then we'll move on to, did we talk about this? Let's see. Table. Okay, yeah. Table shows population statistics for the age of the best actor, best supporting actors. Academy Awards from 1929 to 2020. Distribution of ages are approximately bell-shaped. That's just saying you can use the normal distribution. Compare the Z-scores for the actors. Okay, best actor 1987, Paul Newman, age 62. And best supporting actor, age 50. Okay, so this is about the ages, yeah? What's the Z-score for their ages? So they give you, in Paul's case, he's a best actor. His age is 62, right? And you're looking at the average being 48.3. And then we're also given the standard deviation. So super easy little calculation here. We got his age, 62, minus the average, 43.8, and divided by the sigma of 8.7. That gives you your Z-score. This is for best actor. Paul Newman, best actor. 2.09 to the nearest 2 decimal places. And then for supporting actor, same deal. His age was, let's put it off here, 55. 55 minus the average age for supporting actor of 50.2. And the standard deviation in that case is 13.5. So that's a much higher, lower, I mean, standard Z-score. 0.36 to the nearest 2 decimal places. Okay. Now interpret the Z-scores. Okay. So Paul Newman had a 2.09. That's more than 2 standard deviations above the mean, which is unusual. Meanwhile, Jason Robards was less than 1 standard deviation. His is also above the mean, which is not unusual. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, that was sample questions from 2.5. If you have any individual questions, feel free to email or ask. See ya.